Smart grids are modern electrical grid systems that use digital technology, sensors, advanced communication sensors and networks to manage the generation, distribution, and consumption of electricity in a more efficient and reliable way. Smart grids help us monitor energy flow in real time. Using the science of data as well and AI, we can use smart grids to predict the flow of energy, which can help us curb outages and as well have planned maintenance schedules. Well said enough, smart grids as well have challenges. Challenge number one is smart grids are facing cyber attacks and data privacy challenges. For as long as anything is operating online, that will be a number one challenge. Secondly, smart grids are facing a challenge of limited advanced energy storage systems, because at the end of the day, a lot of energy will be generated and it has to be stored in a smart way to be reused. Hi there, my name is Magezi and I work for the Electricity Regulatory Authority, and I'm an advocate for data science and AI for sustainable electricity. For more engaging conversations like this one, join me at the African Electricity Symposium that is happening at Mestil Hotel from the 25th to the 27th of June.